Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you lavender oil. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll get a bowl and come in with my lavender flowers. I must say there is no right or wrong amount in this. If you want more, just use more, and if you want less, just use less. I'll put a pan on fire and come in with my carrier oil. In this video, I'll be using the coconut oil. Feel free to use any carrier oil you want. Next, I will come in with my lavender flowers. I'll leave this on the flame to warm up. If it's boiling, make sure you put up the fire. You don't need it to boil. You just need it to be warm so that the oil can be infused with the scent and all the good properties. And mind you, we're doing this on the lowest of flames. Well, basically, this will take about 40 minutes on the lowest of flames. And don't forget to give it occasional mixes. So it's been after about 40 minutes and it is ready. I'll just put off the flame and let it cool down. Get a clean bowl and come in with a cheesecloth. Make sure the cloth is very clean. Then I will transfer the contents of the pan into the cloth. I'll go ahead and squeeze out every oil. And here we are, our lavender oil is ready. This can be used for both the skin and the hair. It's got many beauty properties and I tell you, it smells super good. Apart from its good properties, this can also be used as a home fragrance. And you can keep this for as long as you want. It's especially very good for those of you with very sensitive skin. It helps get rid of blemishes and it soothes the skin in general. After a very long day under the sun, this is what you need to soothe your skin. Talking about hair, it helps strengthen the hair and it prevents hair fall, hence retaining length. So this is it and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.